guys, and welcome back to Living with Chanel. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to cook and make great recipes, you are at the right place. Start by clicking the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need goat meat, plantain. Don't mind the dark spot, it's because I had it outside and it was starting to act like it was going to get ripe. I'm not really sure. So I put it in the fridge, and that's why you can actually see this has like water because it comes from the fridge. Onion, leek leaves, garlic, ginger, hot pepper, celery, palm oil, I have peanut oil here, bay leaves, thyme, cube, white pepper, black pepper, basil, cloves, salt. This is fresh cilantro. You can also use the dry version. This is how I keep mine, and you can keep this for like weeks. African spices: Pebe, ginseng, Rondelle, ginger leaves, dry ginger leaves, village black pepper, and anise. So I wanted to show you how to spot the right plantain for Kondre. So when you buy it, plantain shape usually is not like regular plantain shape. It's just weird. It has a weird shape to it. See that head? You need to look at the head and the tail. The shape is not like smooth and everything like regular plantain. It's just, and when you break it, if you were to break it at the store before buying, the plantain should be reddish inside. It's not regular white plantain. And even when it's white at the beginning, it turns reddish, as you can see. The ones that I don't know if this camera is helping, but if you look closely, this is kind of like white, but if you look closely, this is reddish. It's not as red, but okay, there you go. When you look in the middle of the plantain, it should be kind of like a pinkish going to a red side of plantain, because if you get a regular plantain, it will not last. It will cook within 30 minutes. It will be done, and the spices will not get into it, and you don't want that. You want this type because this will last. You can cook this plantain for like 2 hours and a half, 3 hours, and it will be fine. So to make this meal, you need something that will, a plantain that is going to be that's not going to get soft fast. So that's all I wanted to show you. celery, onion, cilantro, leek leaves, garlic, ginger. I'm not going to blend the hot pepper. Anise, straight from Cameroon. In here I have Pebe, Rondelle, ginseng, and cloves. I'm going to add just a little bit of salt so it will help me distribute in the soup. And we're going to go ahead and add water and blend it. Village black pepper.